Here at Company's Primary School, we acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land, the Bunurong people, on which we stand today and recognize their continuing connection to land, water, and culture. We pay our respect to the elders past, present, and emerging.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is good by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing about Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School weekly online assembly. Well, as you can see, we're actually presenting our online assembly on a Thursday this week because tomorrow is a student-free day. Students are not required at school. However, we look forward to seeing everybody back at school next Monday. Well, this week we enjoyed a free dress day that was organised by our SRC students. I must say, the school raised an incredible $1,021. That's $1,021. So a big thank you to all our students who enjoyed coming to school, wearing free dress, and by donating a gold coin. Now, that money we raised is going to an organisation known as Uniting. And Uniting work with schools and families, and they have a school attendance support program. So a very, very worthwhile cause. Just wonderful that we can help people in our community. Today, our Year 1 students went on an excursion to the Wilson Botanic Gardens in Berwick and had an absolutely wonderful day, an incredible day. And the reports I've received back are absolutely fantastic. So congratulations to all our students for showing great enthusiasm to, well, learning out of the classroom. And a big thank you to all the teachers and especially the office staff who work very, very hard making these events occur. If we look at next week, our SWPBS goal is focusing on the school value of resilience. Specifically, we're focusing on playgrounds. Our play in the playgrounds, we follow the rules of the game. Okay, very important we follow the rules of the game. And your teachers will be talking about the SWPBS goal each day in our learning spaces. And before I sign off today, just a reminder that if you are riding a scooter or a bike to and from school, or even on weekends or out of school hours, please ensure you wear a helmet, a safety helmet, and please ensure that the helmet is secure on your head. You've got the chin strap connected. And finally, my message is, just a reminder, everybody, please make sure you read every single day, even on weekends. You may like to read to your cat or your dog, read to a family member. Find a nice quiet space at home, find something you enjoy and enjoy reading. All right, thanks everyone. Take care. A reminder, we don't come to school tomorrow, but we look forward to seeing you back on Monday. Bye now. I look forward to seeing you around the school.
Oh, going out around.
Hello, well, it's everyone's favourite time of the week. Let's have a bit of a laugh together. What do cats like to eat in summer? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. All right, let's see how you went. What do cats like to eat in summer? Mice cream cones. I hope you liked that one, and I hope you all have a wonderful week, a bit of an extra long weekend for our students this weekend while our teachers work hard on their reports on Friday. Have a great weekend, everyone. I'll see you soon.
Next week's SWPBS goal is to follow the rules of the game. You're out. No, I'm not. We have to follow the rules of the game. Fine.
So girls, why is it important we follow the rules of the game?
So that's fair. So that your friends wouldn't play with you. So that you treat each other with respect. Make sure to follow the rules of the game.
The SWPBS goal in Persian is Ma kavanini bazi the private mikro.
ما شما را میگیم که چطور شما داری شما پلیز تنکیار بگین بعد پلیز مشه لطفاً تنکیار مشه تشکر